How are you? This was going to be a really simple, just kind of check-in video, and then the opportunity to mark the queen presented itself. So now this is Eric marks a queen with a super shaky cell phone camera. So it's kind of a quickie bee video, but to bring you along for the ride. Watch me find the queen and mark her if I can. Ready? Here we go.
Make, fix, grow, cook. GardenFork.
This is Greenwood Cemetery right here, and I am on my way over to where our beehives are. So that's this morning in 90-degree heat. But this is Greenwood. Well, nice flash there. Greenwood Cemetery. That's where the bees mainly go. And those bushes right back there along the fence line a couple weeks ago were in flower, and I don't know what they are, but they were full of honeybees, and I would bet they were a lot of our honeybees. There's also some beehives in Greenwood here. All right, so we're gonna go on the roof, all right? Familiar place on the roof. I'm gonna check out this little queen rearing nuke we have, okay? Looks pretty healthy. Nice. Clearly signs of new eggs being laid, capped brood. So we have a fertile queen that we have raised from Brooklyn in here. That's very cool. See, they're doing the wiggle dance there. They're telling the other bees where a food source is. There she is. I have her on a little queen capture device now, where the worker bees can go in and out of there, but the queen is stuck in there, and that is a big, beautiful queen. Basically, I catch her with this, I lay her out on here, recatch her with this. Sometimes you can just get this right on the comb, sometimes you can't. So, all right, so I've got my marking pen, and I've got the queen in here. I'm gonna push this little pusher up and dab her with the ink. She's now marked. A little bit of ink, and then I'm going to let her go. And there she goes, back into the hive. That's how I mark queens. What you do may be different. I know I didn't get the color right with the year and all that, but this is the marker I had. I'll link below to this little gizmo and to this. So this is another hive of mine. The little nuke hive is right over there. This is a honey super. I just wanted to show you. I'll be extracting this honey later in the week. That looks pretty nice. There's Manhattan over there. There are honeybees right here. Okay. So yeah, we're off the roof. That was really kind of fun and successful. Obviously, that's just how I do it. I'm an amateur beekeeper, but bouncing the camera all around. But this is urban beekeeping. You climb upstairs, you climb up a ladder, go on a roof, and in summer you sweat a lot. So let me know what you think. And there should be some other videos here all about Eric's world. Sorry, I'm a little sweaty. I'll see you later.